Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different number of neutrons. You have this definition in your notes. If we take a look at it, they are atoms. That's the thing that you have to remember the most. We are talking about atoms here, and you are familiar with the concept of atoms. You see 3 below you here. They have the same element, which means the proton number of an isotope will be the same, because that won't change. Because what we're basically saying is these are just atoms that belong to the same element, but there's one thing that's a little bit different. They weigh a different amount. Their mass is different because the number of neutrons can be different. And as you know, that's the only thing that we see different in atoms of the same element. So, same element, different number of neutrons. Pretty simple concept here. But let's go back just a second and give another example of what this might look like. Okay, so if we have isotopes, if I have an atom with, let's say, 2 protons in its nucleus, and another atom with 3 protons in its nucleus, let's give these guys some neutrons. Let's say one of them has 3 neutrons and the other one has 4. The question is, are these isotopes of each other? And the answer is no, they are not isotopes of each other. And the reason why is because they have a different number of protons. They are not the same element because of the number of protons. 1, 2, 3 here, and only 2 here. They do have different numbers of neutrons, which is a requirement, but they have a different number of protons, so they must be the same element. So if we go back and use another example, we could say, okay, 2 neutrons, 3 neutrons, and in one of them we have 2 protons, in the other one we have 2 protons in the nucleus. And of course we're not showing electrons on the diagram. Now the question is, are these isotopes of each other? Yes, they are. They are isotopes of each other because they are the same element. We know they're the same element because 2 protons and 2 protons. These are both helium. They are isotopes of helium because they have different numbers of neutrons. This one over here has 2 neutrons and this one has 3 neutrons. These are isotopes of helium. 2 helium atoms, different numbers of neutrons. Now, if you need any more assistance on the topic of isotopes, please see your instructor. Good luck.